Welcome back, everyone. You may be experiencing some sort of issue like this. Now, I couldn't find a more recent image, but essentially the security code of your Instagram is essentially not going through. Maybe they're, not sending the right Instagram. Maybe they're not sending a code to you, and that's usually the common thing. You're not receiving the code in the first place. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. But the first thing I would probably recommend you to look at is actually double checking to make sure you're connected to a proper network or proper cell signal, whatever the case is. This is usually the first thing I would end up looking at. So go into your settings, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, cell signal, all that stuff. And typically there you should be able to, mitigate that specific issue. Now on top of this, if you go ahead and go into your specific Instagram little app or whatever, and you see the little option, and if it says incorrect security code or whatever it is, well, you may have to go ahead and get a new specific security code because the one that you got may be out of, date. Maybe it didn't come in time and then it expired because they do expire after a certain time. So you want to go ahead and click get a new security code, which is right there. If it's inaccurate, if it's not right, that's essentially what you need to do in that specific situation is to get a new security code. And that's the thing that I've done. I've had this happen to me one time before and, it didn't work out properly. And that's essentially all I had to do. If the security code is still not sending to you, or if it's not sending properly, what I would recommend doing is resetting your device or seeing if they can send it to you via a different way. So sometimes I don't know if they're going to be able to call you, but they should be able to go ahead and either text you or email you this specific code. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and either access it via email or whatever, and take that code and post it back in and make sure it's accurate, make sure it's good. And again, if that doesn't work out again, you can always just go back into it, click submit and get a new code, and essentially you'll be good from there. So that's essentially how you do it. A very easy process. As long as your information is accurate and you're putting in the right code, then you'll be set for the most part. So that's it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit the subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.